And this very special man indeed will of course get properly introduced. And the two people who are going to do it for us, only befittingly, are rather special calibers of their own. Mr. Branko Đurić and Mr. Prlekija-on.
I'm going to say it's a pleasure and a privilege to have been able to bring to the heart of Europe an actor with heart.
Dear sir, it's really hard to put in the words what I feel about you. I'm happy even because of the fact that I live in the same times with you. I can't explain how happy I am to stay here in front of you and to share the same stage or same place with you. I'm also one of the lucky guys who has a chance to work with you in the same movie I'm talking about, Triage, and I love your work. I want to tell you just thank you for your wonderful career, and you are and you will be my idol. Thank you for everything.
I've used it anyway. I was very amused to see that scene from A Private Life of Sherlock Holmes, because I'm the only actor who's played Sherlock Holmes and his brother Mycroft. And to get that makeup took 2 hours. Everybody said it was me. It was not. It was a wig. It took 2 hours.